Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in my car and this time we're going on another Funko Pop Adventure Time. So previously I went to the Kruidvat for Funko Pops and also the Trekpleister, and now they also have them at the Action. So I am very curious and I got 4 or 5 actions planned and I really hope they have some good Funkos. And of course I am taking you with me, so let's go! And I am back from my Funko Pop adventure and I found 6 very good Funkos. The first one I found is Chi-Chi from Dragon Ball Z, and I am a big Dragon Ball Z fan. So I am very happy that I found her. And I think it's very funny that you can see her attitude in this Funko. Now this is the only one from Dragon Ball Z I found, but I would really love to have them all, and I really like Kid Buu, so I hope I will find more. Now for the next one is from Deadpool and it's Domino. And the box is a little bit damaged in a corner and on the side, but it was the only one, so I really had to take it home with me. And on the back side you can see that there are 3 more from this Deadpool pop collection. Now for the third one I have Meta God, I think you say it. And it is from the Crimes of Grindelwald. And this is a glow-in-the-dark one. And I tried it, but I think only the eyes and the teeth are glowing. And here on the back side you can see there are a lot more. And I really like this baby nifflers. For the fourth one, I found Tool Shed from South Park, and the box is really damaged, but I really had to take it home with me because I like South Park a lot. And it was the only one. So I really like all the details in his tool belt and his big yellow glasses that he has on. And here on the back side you can see all the others from South Park. And I cannot choose, so I just want to have them all. For the fifth one, I found Knows More from Ralph Breaks the Internet. And this is such a pretty Funko. And he has the little crayon in his hand and his head with the little tassel on it. Now from this collection I already have 3, because I have Shank, Taffeta and Fun Bun. And now I also have Knows More. So I'm halfway. Now last but certainly not least, I found this one from Black Panther, and I really love him as a bad guy. I think he's so cool. And I think they did a very good job with this Funko, with the tattoos and his hands splitting up so you can see the weapon inside. This is just a really cool one. Now this Black Panther collection has 10 Funkos. So 1 down and 9 more to go. So this is my haul, and again at the Action they are also only €4. So they are very cheap, but also a lot of box damage because people don't know how valuable they are with the box intact. But I think I have a good find this time. Now thank you for coming with me on this adventure, and if you liked it, please push the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. So let's go on this Funko Pop adventure. So let's go on this. I don't know if I say that correctly. Domino. I found Knows More from Ralph